Series 24, True Heavy Metals Grave Digger. So in Series 24, the poster is Pirate's Curse. So let's go ahead, turn it around, and check out the other trucks in this series. First off, let's start off with the top on the left-hand side, which will be Grave Digger. And the True Heavy Metals truck, which we're going to take a look at. And then Legacy trucks is Soldier Fortune, Black Ops, and Son of a Digger. Then the see-through crew is October. I didn't pronounce that correctly at all. But let's go on. Then we got Kraken in Arena Favorites and Bad Company, which I'm still looking for. Gotta pick that truck up. Road Finals is Grave Digger the Legend, which it's actually just supposed to be Grave Digger, I believe. That is from the Road Finals. And then we have Crazy Creatures. Dragon comes back, and there's Pirate's Curse. Alright, so here is the True Heavy Metals of Grave Digger, and we're gonna bring it up here close by. It's nice to see that the motor is painted, and also some of the suspension is also painted as well. Then, you know, you got the BKT lettering on the tires, and then you have the gray wheels. Now, here is the True Heavy Metals underneath here. There you get to see some of the metal piece there of the chassis, holding it together. Very cool. Everything else is pretty much the same on the Grave Digger die-cast body. I think it's pretty cool, the True Heavy Metals. I'm not too sure which is my favorite chase pieces. Maybe the ride trucks. Also, the training trucks were pretty cool. So even the other series where they did some painting and stuff, like with the suspension and motor, that was alright also. But here it is. That pretty much sums it up here with the unboxing and review for the True Heavy Metals chase piece of Grave Digger. Thank you for tuning in.